Welcome to an eye-opening exploration of law. 42. Strike the shepherd and the sheep will scatter. This law is not just about brute force, but rather the delicate dance of strategy that leads to the ultimate chaos. Picture this, a tightly knit group thread together by a charismatic leader. Now imagine fraying that thread and watching the fabric of control unravel. It's about understanding that the leader molds a team's unity, and by removing that central figure, the whole structure falters like a game of Jenga gone wrong. Let's dive deeper into the dynamics. Striking the shepherd shouldn't be reckless. It's a tactical maneuver. Think back to the Spanish conquistadors and their encounter with Incan king Atahualpa. By capturing the king, they triggered a chain reaction that sent the entire Incan empire into chaos. No longer anchored, the followers, deprived of their guiding light, scattered, illustrating a profound truth. Without a leader, loyalty dissipates, and survival instincts reign supreme. The key is recognizing that the leader's removal leads to an explosive fragmentation of authority. Nonetheless, it's crucial to remember that a direct strike against a leader can escalate into a martyrdom scenario. This is where cunning replaces brute strength. Take, for instance, the strategies of Chuko Liang, who decided to outsmart his adversary, Meng Huo, by fostering a false sense of security. Rather than taking him down, Liang opted for a psychological game, provoking fatigue and exasperation rather than directly confronting the king. With each encounter, he drained Meng Huo's troops' morale until they surrendered willingly. This showcases that sometimes the art of war is won not through swords, but through strategy and patience. As we wrap up this strategic insight, consider the historical disputes of King Louis XVI's court, where rivalries played out dramatically. When de Castries foolishly challenged Necker, the public's favorite, he unwittingly became a target of disdain. This lesson underscores the importance of choosing your battles wisely. Picking a fight without consideration can lead to your downfall and reveal a lack of understanding about the underlying power dynamics. In conclusion, the crux of Law 42 is about identifying key players and addressing them tactfully. Mastery lies not in force, but in the art of manipulation and understanding the intricacies of relationships. With these insights, you can navigate through potential chaos effectively and emerge victorious, proving that sometimes the pen, or in this case, the strategic approach, is indeed mightier than the sword.
Aliens? Oh, they're coming. For our merch. Get ready for a galactic showdown of humor and style with products that are truly out of this world. Whether you're prepping for the alien invasion or just want to signal your allegiance to our extraterrestrial overlords, we've got you covered. Visit pissroff.com to get yours today.
Like and subscribe for more exciting videos.